Good day to all of us. This is Big Joe Auto Diagnostics. I just want to tell you one of the things that could cause a hard start. One of the things is ECT sensor, engine coolant temperature sensor. The owner just came here and was telling me that he was having hard starts almost every time. It takes 2 or 4 times before the engine cranks up. Then I hook up my scanner. Then I discover I'm seeing engine coolant temperature circuit high. With this code, this vehicle will never start until it gets to like 4 or 5 cranking session before it starts. So whenever you're having a hard start, one of the first things you should do, run a vehicle diagnostics on it to see what's actually wrong. You can see this is engine coolant temperature input high, so it means that the circuit is out of it or something is out. This is Big Joe Auto Diagnostics, and this is an effect of a defective engine control, ECT, engine coolant temperature sensor. I've been taking this car for a while now. You can see, if you can see the needle, you can see that the needle is still down. It has not even gotten to middle, so which means that this engine has not even gotten to optimum working temperature, in which this is going to make the engine to consume more fuel because the vehicle is still on closed loop. And immediately the fan also came up because an ECT is having an issue. That is how you know a bad ECT. Your fan will come on, your engine will not get to the needle will not get to the middle for you to give it that optimum working temperature. So this is how you diagnose an ECT. So on the issue of the ECT, having coming to check the engine, if you can see a sensor that looks broken. It looks this sensor, this wire was being eaten by rodents. You can see that that's the ECT sensor there. You can see that is why we're having our fan on. So I'm checking this out and getting it fixed.